Women's role in watershed management. In this study, the roles of women in watershed management in the Calbayog Panas Highburn Protected Landscape CPHPL in Calbayog City are identified to add to the expanding scientific body of information regarding women's participation in watershed protection. A systematic literature review was conducted using the preferred reporting items for systematic reviews and meta-analysis Prisma and Scopus databases, for example, Science Direct. Data on payment for ecosystem services in Calbayog City were used for willingness to pay analysis. A documentary review by the Protected Area Management Board PAMB was conducted to highlight women's participation in the watershed management and planning process. This study reveals that women are highly acknowledged and part of the planning process as representatives of their respective organizations. The decision of women to protect the watershed relies on the will of a political leader. On the other hand, women are hampered in their participation in watershed management because of the socio-cultural and institutional context. Moreover, from the WTP of women, it appears that the number of years of residency, age, bid amount offered, knowledge of watershed, and the perception that watershed is important in water supply are factors that affect their WTP. Introduction. Women play vital roles in protecting the environment and managing water resources, yet their contributions are often limited by cultural and social norms. In many rural communities, including areas like Samar Island in the Philippines, men dominate decision-making groups, even though women are the ones most affected by water issues and are active in conservation efforts. Despite their efforts in farming, conserving water, and improving community resilience, women are underrepresented in official bodies like watershed management boards. For example, in the Calbayog Panas Highburn Protected Landscape, women hold less than the required 40% representation. Challenges such as land ownership, traditional gender roles, and lack of support further hinder their participation. However, empowering women and promoting gender equality in leadership and planning is essential for effective and sustainable watershed management. Recognizing and supporting their roles leads to better environmental protection and stronger, more sustainable communities. Conclusion. This study highlights the crucial role women play in protecting watersheds and managing water resources. While women contribute to decision-making, they often face challenges like gender inequality, cultural expectations, and lack of leadership opportunities. These barriers limit their full involvement, despite their knowledge and active roles in environmental care. The findings show that a woman's willingness to participate WTP in watershed efforts is influenced by factors such as age, household income, time spent living in the area, and how much she understands the importance of watersheds. Promoting awareness through education and community programs can boost their involvement and help communities make more sustainable choices. Empowering women through informal education, like seminars on environmental laws and planning, can strengthen their leadership and participation. Supporting women's roles aligns with Sustainable Development Goal 5 gender equality and ensures better, more inclusive watershed management for the future. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.